Hello students, we'll go with the next problem. So here again little bit different it is. So if f of x is equals to, the function has been divided into two intervals, that is x in the range 0 to pi and x minus 2 pi in the range pi to 2 pi. We need to obtain the Fourier series and hence we need to deduce pi by 4 is equals to 1 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 5 plus so on. So to start, again we have to check whether the given function has been defined for the interval 2 pi or no. Here the upper and the lower limits are, here lower limit is 0 and upper limit is 2 pi. So final are 0 to 2 pi, which is an open interval and it is of period 2 pi. Now to check for the even and odd concept, here since the function has been divided into 2, take phi of x as x and psi of x as x minus 2 pi. Since your given interval is from 0 to 2 pi, just replace x by 2 pi minus x. So where all x is there, in any one of the function you can substitute, that is either in phi of x or psi of x. I will substitute in phi of x where all x is there as 2 pi minus x. So phi of 2 pi minus x is equals to 2 pi minus x. I will take the negative sign common over here. When I take the negative sign common, this becomes minus 2 pi and this will become plus x. Instead of writing minus 2 pi plus x, I will write it as x minus 2 pi. If you observe, this function is nothing but psi of x. So I have got phi of 2 pi minus x is equals to minus psi of x. So the function is odd and hence a0 and an are 0 directly. If suddenly, if you see, when you replace x by 2 pi minus x, you will say that the function is neither even nor odd, because here see, this is 2 pi, it is plus 2 pi, but here it is minus 2 pi. Here it is plus x, here it is minus x. So do not directly come for the conclusion of even and odd. Check whether you can take negative sign common and try to make it in this form, and then only you conclude for even and odd. So as I have done now. Okay. So now to compute for Bn, we are having the same formula. Bn is equals to 2 by pi integral 0 to pi f of x into sin nx dx. Now f of x. Now what f of x value you are going to substitute in this? If you see here, the function has been defined into two ranges. So we need to substitute f of x. Which f of x you are going to substitute? I will be substituting x because my limits are from 0 to pi. I will be considering x as a f of x in my given formula. So here x I will substitute sin nx. I will apply Bernoulli's rule. Upper limit minus the lower limit. I am getting Bn is equals to 2 into, that is minus 2 into minus 1 raised to n upon n. This minus, if you want, you can club with this minus 1 raised to n, or you can keep this much only. I am clubbing it. This minus I have treated as minus 1 raised to 1, and minus 1 raised to 1 into minus 1 raised to n, it will become minus 1 raised to n plus 1. So hence Bn, and the Fourier series expansion is given by f of x is equals to summation n equals to 1 to infinity Bn sin nx. Substitute Bn, that will be the Fourier expansion for the given series. So thank you.